If you have tomatoes at home, this recipe will surprise you. On a cutting board, carefully cut 3 tomatoes in half. This is the start of something incredible. Then remove the middle part, where the seeds are, from all the tomato halves. Easy and quick, right? Now, arrange the tomatoes on a platter, opening side up. They are now ready to receive the special filling. Take 6 egg yolks and distribute them inside each of the tomatoes waiting on the platter. Look how interesting it turns out. Season with salt to taste and paprika. Now for the irresistible touch, 50 g of bacon and 150 g of mozzarella cheese. To finish, add chives to taste. It's beautiful, isn't it? Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Now all you have to do is wait for it to be ready. And that's it. Our stuffed tomatoes are golden, fragrant and ready to be served. Mouth-watering, isn't it? Did you like this recipe? Then don't forget to like the video and follow our channel for more delicious tips. Bon appetit and see you on your next culinary adventure.